In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J5, and today I will show you how to do a hard reset through settings. So we will start off by actually opening up the settings. So I'm going to pull down the notification panel, and there's this little gear icon right here. And from here go all the way down into backup and reset right here. And then once again scroll down to factory data reset. Tap on it and you'll get a little message what it will do. And once you're get accustomed with this, tap on reset the device and then delete all. And now the device will begin removing all personal data and might take several minutes, so just be patient and I'll be back once it's finished. Okay, and as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as you like. I'm just going to go through the setup fairly quickly. Just choose a language. And now we're in the home screen and the hard reset has been completely finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.